So guys, I take this prep all and I'm gonna clean off the roof. Pretty much got everything down to bare metal. I do have to treat a few rust spots. And what I normally do when I treat the rust spots is I do 50-50 vinegar and water. And actually that's a little trick that I've always used in all of my vehicles. And it'll kill the rust and it's free. Let me blow it off first before I put this on there. I wiped it off. All right. She is good and clean up top. And you'll see some of the dark patches that's rusted. Like, let me see here. Like these little pieces there. Right there. I treat that. And I treat the whole roof. But I treat the whole roof with 50-50 vinegar and water. And then after that, I'll go ahead and skim coat it. Alright, so guys, I'm going to show you an easy way to prevent rust after you have killed it. This here is a very cheap way. This is like a $4 bottle of distilled white vinegar. And I just got a bucket of water that I'm going to put over here. And basically I just do 50-50 and I mix it together. Let me take this off here. Mix my water. And I get my distilled water here. I mix that all together, mix that up real good. And then we'll come over here and I'll show you how I use it. So what I use, I will actually use my sponge and a brush to agitate it. It'll turn like a rust color. Let that sit a little bit. Let that vinegar etch in there. And I'll come back and scuff it up some more. And you'll see that it'll turn like a rust color. And that's when you know it's etching in there. And everything will turn black. Now since that vinegar is in there, I'll let that dry, and then we'll come back and we'll wipe it off and neutralize it with regular water. And you can see that it's already turning like yellow or like that rusty color in certain areas. That's that vinegar etching in to that metal. So we'll let that sit and dry for a little bit, and then we'll come back and we'll wipe it off. All right, so now it's pretty much dry, and you can see where all the rust and everything has turned like a yellow or rust, like a rust color. So now we'll go back with just plain water, and we'll wipe down all that, rust that's coming up to the surface. And that's what you want. And that's basically just that rust will not come back. So let's go ahead and start wiping this off. That is nasty. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the difference. Now with the clean surface here, clean over here, see how nasty and yellow that is. Big difference. All right, let's finish wiping it off.